NFL Week 1 is here. The Dogs are making their picks for all the matchups from September 7th through September 9th. Raiders versus Patriots. The tail is wagging for the Raiders. Cardinals versus Saints. Pup says Saints all the way. Giants versus Commanders. Prediction? Giants on top. Steelers versus Jets. And yep, it's the Steelers. Think the Dogs got it right? Drop your picks in the comments and subscribe for tomorrow's games. September 8th, one big showdown. Ravens versus Bills. Dogs are howling for the Bills. September 9th, final Week 1 clash. Vikings versus Bears. Prediction? Vikings take it.